Hello, I'm Leo Page at MarineMax at Bahia in beautiful downtown Pensacola, Florida, and today I'm going to show you aboard our all-new 2018 Sea Ray 250 SLX. The first thing you'll notice on the stern of the boat are the rear-facing speakers, the large two-person sun pad with recessed cup holders and phone charger, transom shower and transom stereo remote. Boarding's very easy through the rear companionway that leads into the cockpit. To the port, you have a large head area as well as a forward-facing passenger seat. And to the starboard, we have a very nicely finished out helm area with a plush captain's seat, chrome bezeled gauges, Rockford Fosgate audio system, easy to read switches laid out very ergonomically. As we move forward on the boat, you'll notice a very large bow seating area, large enough for 2 adults to lay out comfortably, with large backrest and armrests, recessed cup holders and grab handles. Moving back to the cockpit, you'll notice that you have the large seating area on the starboard side of the boat and an opposite facing port side seating area with a hideaway 35 quart icebox. Come by MarineMax at Bahia in Pensacola, Florida today and ask for Leo Page to see the Gulf Coast's largest selection of new and pre-owned Sea Ray boats.